guys a hint. Zach, scoot over real quick. I'm gonna just show y'all that and that. All the other parts are there, and I'm gonna show y'all that. That's all I'm gonna show y'all for now. But just know, something in the making, man. Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. We're doing a Hellcat swap. It's fucking Zachary Scatpacky. But I'm just showing y'all, you know, the little stuff. But man, that bitch need a clean wash. She ain't been getting driven for a minute. You said what?
This the connector. Where they cut.
No, I'm just playing. Come on, bro. Let's hurry up. You better help that car out. Oh, yeah, he ain't going out to nobody. You said fuck the officer. Cause I don't want to smoke for real. Tell him put that sis1 to work. Word, that's it.
Yo! That motherfucker sound good! So what? How much you want for it? I don't know about that.
This shit might be worth it. Hey, tell him what.
Hey! I don't want, I gotta give me an old school next. I gotta give me an old school next.
No, man, send this bitch past him. Scat mode out, y'all. Come get him, man. She's on the side of the road for free. We not worried about that no more, man. Y'all come grab that, but. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So right now, we finna do this dash swap because we got the harness and stuff in there, and we finna just take this, basically skin or whatever he calls it, and put it on the fucking Hellcat dash in there. And shit, pretty much, you just take out all these little screws, and everything just gonna come apart. All them screws, y'all just take off and it's gonna come apart. So I'm gonna catch y'all right back after we done taking this apart. So we got the freaking, the bar, we gotta know what it is. I'm not gonna go over it. But we got the Scat one out. Now, we got the cat dash, got the Scat one on, radio out. We're putting this one in, yeah, we finna get this one put in. Dang, did you put that light on the charger? Huh? Did you put that light on the charger? Damn it, Zach, you're fucking up. We need that at this point. Huh? Okay. But we got that. We're gonna put that in. I'm tired. After we're done putting that in, we're probably gonna get finish up the front of the motor and then start on this rear end. After the rear end and the gas tank, it's time to start her. Getting the dash in now, man. Red button alert, red button alert. This is definitely time consuming, but I'm gonna start hooking this boy back together, get this radio in. We're gonna hook the battery up and see what the page is looking like with the Hellcat harness. That's something he's concerned about, but we're gonna hook that up, see about that, and we're gonna finish hooking everything else back together. Hopefully we can get a start up tonight. All right, we just got the dash installed. Got the new cat controls. I got the cat's cluster 200 on that dash, my SRT. Now we're gonna try to get all this stuff handled and then put the steering wheel on, but we're gonna hook up the battery and see how that's looking too. See what that pulls up. All right, y'all. We finna hook the battery up and see the outcome, see what happens. You gotta hook it up, man.
My lights are on.
Scatpack light came on, the radio's coming on. Yeah, I heard that.
Oh, it does work.
Let me see. Did you hook that up?
Yeah. Nigga, that connector is important. That's nothing. Just look.
Damn. Fucking
Fuck,
bitch.
bro. So we must control the whole thing.
Yeah, she's not going. Fuck, man.
Fuck, bro.
Oil. Oh, you're running it.
So it don't spill it. As you know, oil fluid
Did
is...
you get it sized?
Huh?
You got it sized, didn't you? Oh, she's tight. She's very tight. I'm gonna edit this out of YouTube so they don't see this part. Hey, there, y'all finna see all of it.
They should be like, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck? What they got going on?
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Think it's gonna shoot off? It's
Nah, we're gonna figure out.
Alright.
Let's hear some blowing.
Let's do it. Alright. Ready? What? Here we go. Find it one more time.
It's not letting you?
No, this is what Ryan's car does. You gotta get it.
And the key reprogrammed on it, man.
But you said, and hopefully like a few months, if I'm what I say I am, you know, and get me up there. Not nowhere. That's good.
Think that's good, pal. It's these blue holes, isn't it?
You said what?
Too late now.
Alright, and then it's too late quick. So you had to flash up your hose like that. You got flashlights galore. You think that goes to the front?
You have a broken clip in this one right here.
Oh, then yeah, that's fine. You just might have a little bit of niche in there. Just go ahead and try to hit with the impact and hit it home.
Is this house over there?
No, just
No, it's going in.
Yeah, it's still gonna be slow. But it's not gonna be as long as it was.
All right, y'all. I want to give you guys a quick overview of what basically we have left to do on the Hellcat swap. So, runs and drives. We got the key program situation handled. Hold on. But key situation handled. We got. Yeah. We got the red key right here. Got a brand new one. We got it programmed. Now, what we ran into was that, you know, this Scatpack is like a 2020 or 2022, something like that. 2020, I'm pretty sure. This radio is brand new. We're going to try to put an older radio in and see if we get the radio to come on, because it flashes, but it won't actually come on, which we believe because it's a brand new one and the pins might be a little different. And then besides that, we got to finish the actual side panels, the dash trim, the airbag. Got the airbag back there. And then those, and then completely buckle the seats down. And then it's pretty much back done. And then, yeah, like I said, it runs and drives. Get you guys some fucking radio clip. Oh, yeah.
How fast you think Isaiah do in this motherfucker transmission?
Hey, hold this for me real quick. Let me... So basically, he like we still got to get the motor and stuff corrected too. But basically, the motherfucker run, you can drive it. It's just got just little hiccups. But besides that, she's a running and driving cat. She goes and drives. She can dash.
Bro, I hope the wind isn't eating this bitch out. You finna rev it?
Be 100% healthy. There we go. That's the word. Oh, bro. And next, we got a 5.7 swap to do. So this is a 5.7, and the scat motor that was in there, right there, is going into here. And that 5.7, I don't know where the fuck we're going to send that to, but basically we're going to do a scat swap on this, and then yeah, I'm gonna record and we're gonna go over the videos with that. I'm gonna try to do better recording than what I did for this one, but we're gonna see how it turns out, because I do forget a lot of shit, and we don't have a recorder. We gotta record off the hand, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into you guys a little bit later. We got some shit to do now.